Hello everyone, I am your friend Sindhu. Now we are going to discuss about what is polymorphism and how many types of polymorphism. Now first we are going to discuss about what is polymorphism. Polymorphism is nothing but combination of two Greek words. What are they? Poly and morphism. Poly means many, morphism means forms. It means many forms. Polymorphism is nothing but many forms. Polymorphism is one thing can be represented in many forms is called polymorphism. So, real life example of polymorphism is suppose one person in shopping mall behaves like a customer, in bus behaves like a passenger, in school behaves like a student, at home behaves like a son or daughter. So, here more than one function with the same name. For example, here Sindhu with the same name Sindhu with a different working. What are the different workings? Behaves like a customer, behaves like a passenger, behaves like a student, behaves like a daughter. In this type of example, he is called polymorphism. Let's go. How many types of polymorphism? Types of polymorphism. First one, there are two types. First one is static polymorphism. Second one is dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism is also called as early binding and compile time polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism is also called as late binding polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. Here, static polymorphism is early binding and dynamic polymorphism is late binding. So, do you understand? Here, from image of polymorphism is here polymorphism. There are two types. What are they? Static and dynamic. Here static polymorphism is also called as compile time polymorphism because here memory allocated is done only at the compile time. So it is called compile time polymorphism. Here dynamic polymorphism is also called as runtime polymorphism. Here because the memory allocated only at the runtime, so it is called runtime polymorphism. Here the memory allocated only at the compile time, so it is called compile time. Here the memory allocated only at the runtime, so it is called runtime polymorphism. Examples of static polymorphism is function overloading and operator overloading. Examples of dynamic polymorphism is which for function. This is your concept. Thank you. I hope you can understand.